pen is sitting, spilling, my lyrics killing. Then I let you witness shit when it hit the ceiling. A nigga's willing to give the listeners the sickest feeling, like mixing some Benadryl, penicillin. Then I'm feeling a clip with a written. Can you picture my pistol drilling a million women and children when I'm illin'? But it isn't real, it's a rap. On the real, it's a rap. How could you possibly stop the apocalypse when I'm atomic bombing the populace? Shock the metropolis, hostile as a kid popping a Glock at his mom's and his pops. Then he hops in his drop with his iPod rocking his slaughterous documentation of lyrics I write with confidence. Write like a columnist / novelist. I'm in this game to demolish it, establish my dominance over prominent rappers. You popping shit to your opposite. I can spit ominous, so spit politics. Now I'm Haile Selassie, Gandhi, and pocket this hip hop genre.